Hello and welcome to my Stan Store tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Stan Store. So watch this video till the end. So if you want to follow along, then you will be glad to know that I have shared 14 days free trial link of Stan Store in the video description. Just go and check it out. By using that special link, you can try Stan Store absolutely free for next 14 days without any risk. So don't forget to check that link. So when you will click on that link and create your Stan Store free account, then you will see a dashboard like this. Here you will get 4 different steps. So step 1 is to upload your store photo, which I have already done. So after uploading your photo, it will look something like this. Okay, step 2 is to add your social link. So let me click on add social link, and here you can add your social media links and bio for your store ID. So I am a blogger and a YouTuber, so in my bio I'm going to write something like a full-time blogger, YouTuber and affiliate marketer. Okay, and here I can share my social media link. So I have added my Instagram, website and YouTube video link. So as you can see here how it will look, it is showing my Instagram ID, it is showing my YouTube channel link and my website link. Okay, so third step is to set up your direct deposit. So suppose if you are selling any digital product with Stan Store, then whenever customer will pay you money, then if you want to deposit that money in your bank account, then for this you have to connect your Stripe account or PayPal account in this step 3. Okay, so as you can see, there is 0% transaction fee on Stan Store, so you don't have to pay anything to Stan Store if you are selling digital product with Stan Store. Okay, so to set up direct deposit, all you need to do is just click on set up direct deposit, and from here you can select your country and you can connect your Stripe account with Stan Store, so that whenever customer will pay you money, then you can transfer that money into your bank account with the help of Stripe platform. Okay, so here you can select your country, and then after that you can click on create my Stripe account, and then after creating your account you can start receiving money in your bank account from your customers. So for now I am not going to show you how to sign up. I hope that you already know how to sign up for Stripe and all these things. You just need to enter your name, email address and all these things. So I don't want to make this tutorial lengthy, so I am going to skip this for now. And here is the option to create your first product. So you can directly click on create your product, or you can go to this my store option, and from here you can click on add product button. So both buttons are similar. Either you can click on this step 4 create your product button, or you can click on this add product option from my store. So I'm going to click on add product option. So as you can see, there are multiple product types available to choose from. So you can use Stan Store to build your email list. You can use it as lead magnet. You can sell your digital product like PDF, template, ebook or anything using Stan Store. You can sell paid coaching calls. Okay, so you don't need to use any other paid software like Calendly. You can sell custom products with Stan Store. You can create, host and sell your online courses with Stan Store. You can charge for recurring membership. You can host webinars inside Stan Store. You can create communities like a school and circle platform inside Stan Store. You can share your website link, your affiliate link or anything with the help of Stan Store. So there are multiple options available. So first I am going to show you how to sell digital product using Stan Store. So for this you need to click on this digital product option. So let me click on it, and here you can see the live preview of your product here. So there are 3 different style. First one is button, so it will look something like this. Call out will look like this, and preview option will look like this. So personally I like this call out box, so it looks just amazing. And here you can upload your product image if you have. So for now I am going to use the default one, and here you can add your product description. So suppose I am selling any ebook that will help my customer to increase their affiliate sales. So I have created a sample product here, 10x affiliate income blueprint. We will deliver this file right to your inbox. Click here to continue, and it will look something like this in my Stan Store. Okay, so as you can see, it is looking just amazing. So let's click on next, and here you can set up your checkout page. Suppose if you have designed your cover image, then you can click on choose file and you can upload your product image here. Otherwise you can use the default one. And now let's write description for this product. So if you want to write custom description yourself, then you can remove it and you can start writing here like this. Or if you want to generate your product description with the help of AI, then you can click on generate with AI button. And here let me write something like, in this 10x affiliate income blueprint, I have shared every strategies that are working for me, and let's click on generate. So if you are facing difficulties to write your product description, then you can use AI and it will write your description. So as you can see, AI has written a very good product description for me. So it has added some paragraphs, then it has added bullet points, what I have covered inside this ebook. It has shared something about it, then it has added testimonial section. So suppose I have received testimonial from my customer, then I can simply replace it with the testimonial and the customer name. So overall it has written a very good product description. So let's click on replace button, and now it is showing this description here, as you can see. So I will highly recommend you to customize this description further according to your need. If you want to add anything, then it is very easy, just like a text editor. Okay, and after this there is bottom title and call to action button. So let me show you where it is. So if you will scroll this page, then as you can see, this is the section. We can customize this section and this button title. So I have written title like get this ebook with special discount, and call to action button is buy now, as you can see. Next option is to set the price for this ebook. So let's say my price is $39.99 and I want to give it at $19.99. Okay, so if you are confused where this pricing difference is showing in this page, so just go to the top, and as you can see, it is showing that original price is $39.99, and for a very limited time we are offering this ebook for just $19.99. so this hack will definitely help us to improve the sales of this ebook. Okay, and after this pricing field, there is option to customize this name and email address field. So if you want to add additional field here like name, email address, if you want to collect their address, phone number, or any other field, then you can click on add field to add any other field according to your need. And last option is very important, upload your digital product. So suppose I am selling this ebook name is 10x affiliate income blueprint. So what I need to do, I need to upload that ebook here. So whenever anyone will click on this buy now button and purchase this ebook, then in the next step they will receive this ebook directly. They can download this ebook. Okay, so for this I have to click on upload file button to upload my ebook, or you can directly share the ebook link here. Suppose you have uploaded your ebook on, let's say, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other site, then you can share the file link here, or you can simply click on upload and upload your file. So for demo purpose, I have uploaded a random file here, and let's click on publish. So as you can see, our product is ready, and it is showing my face, my name, then it is showing my bio and social media link, and then it is showing the product that we have just created. So whenever anyone will visit my Stan store, then they can see this section. They can click on this click here to continue button to go to my checkout page, and after that they can get this ebook at discounted price. Okay, I hope you got it. And there is some additional setting, let me show you. Just click on this product that we have just created, go to the options, and here are some additional options, like if you have received a review from your customer, then you can add your review using this option. You can set up some automation emails if you want, then using the email flow option. If you want to add any order bump, okay, here suppose if you want to sell a similar product at a very less price so that you can increase your sale amount, then you can use the order bump feature. And if you want to create affiliate program for your own product, then you can click on this affiliate share option, and you can set up affiliate program for this particular product. And after that there is confirmation email. So whenever your customer will purchase this ebook, then they will receive this email automatically. You don't have to do anything from your side. It knows everything about you and the product you are selling. So it will automatically replace this username with your name. It will automatically replace customer name with your customer original name, and it will replace this product name with the product name. As you can see, in my case product name is 10x affiliate income blueprint, so it will replace product name with this product name, and also it will replace this product file with the PDF we have uploaded. So after purchasing this ebook, they have two options. in the next page they can directly download this ebook, or they will receive the email. From email they can download this ebook. I hope you got it. Suppose if you want to add another product here, or suppose if you want to simply add any affiliate link or your website link or anything after this, then what you need to do, just click on add product again, and suppose now we want to add our website link. So just click on URL, and here you can see the preview. You want button like this or this, it is totally up to you. So I personally like call out option, and let me enter my website link here. And suppose if you want to replace this image with your website logo or anything, then you can click on choose image and you can upload your logo or image. And after that there is option, and after that let me write something like visit my website, learn blogging and affiliate marketing, and click me. So let's click on publish, and let's see how it will look in our Stan store. So as you can see, this is my Stan store. It is showing my product, and then it is showing visit my website option. In this way you can add as many product coaching calls or whatever you want using this add product button. And if you want to customize the order, then you can do it like this. So now it is showing first my website, and then it is showing this product. I hope you got it. Let me show you one more thing. If you will go to edit design option, then as you can see there are lots of designs options available. You can use any design according to your requirement, but personally I like this minima one. Okay, and if you want to check your income, then you can check it from here. If you want to get detailed analytics like your total revenue, store visits, and number of leads you have collected, then you can go to analytics. You can check your customer detail using this option. You can check all your paid coaching calls, appointment using this appointment tab. You can go to email flow to set up your automated emails, and here is the auto DM option. Suppose if you want to automate your Instagram business, then you can use this auto DM option. So whenever customer will use any keyword in their comment, then you can send them personalized response based on the keyword they have used in their comment. Okay, I hope you got it. So I want to remind you once again that if you want to try Stan Store absolutely free, then Stan Store free trial link is in the video description. By using that link you can try Stan Store absolutely free for next 14 days. So just go and check the link given in the video description. So I hope now you understood how to set up Stan Store. So if you found this Stan Store tutorial for beginners video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.